COVID-19 pandemic has put our lives at risks, exacerbated vulnerabilities, and imposed us to go through unprecedented times. In 2020, we had to rethink our lives and shape our new course for the future. But as long as it escalated the challenges in many ways, the pandemic also revealed plenty of opportunities. For example, it emphasized on the great potential of young people to innovate and act as agents of change. During this pandemic, more than ever, unity, solidarity, and mutual aid demonstrated to be vital values at the heart of the decisions of citizens, civil society, and institutions. And in a country like Moldova, which is facing rapid demographic changes and aging of the population, exploring these inner values and creating bridges between generations to build solidarity and mutual support can be a long-term solution. There is no easy fix in overcoming the pandemic and building back better, but it is the power of Moldovan people to overcome it united across different ages, regions, and sectors. Building bridges between generations, intergenerational solidarity, blended with strong collaboration between different sectors, can make the difference in the lives that we may save and in the well-being of the most in need. Young people who are there for all the persons in community to ease their social isolation and provide emotional support during this pandemic is making a difference. Collaboration between different sectors in overcoming what has become more than a health emergency is making a difference. Identifying who are the most vulnerable people as a result of this pandemic and working with them to empower and enable them to become a central element of our society is making a difference. The assessment report on the socio-economic impact of COVID-19 is the main tool to guide our joint efforts. It provides an overview on the most vulnerable groups during the COVID-19 pandemic and identifies ways how we all should respond to it. It also serves as the reference document in designing the response plan of the government, as it has a structural approach on the implications of pandemic, grounded on data, people's voices, and supported by a full set of recommendations. The way how the government and all of us will use the findings of this report will depend on how many lives we save and how resilient we are. Let us all make full use of the findings of the socio-economic impact assessment for stronger and brighter Moldova.